You know I gotta poke around in here. Oh, well, that's a nice little home. Note to self, don't step in there. Hi there and welcome. To our viewers that have been watching with us for a little while, you'll recognize this. This is our farmhouse rehab that's in Kentucky. And to our new viewers, welcome. This is a whole series in itself. It's taken probably a year, no, a little bit more than a year, just to work on the house. We do have a separate series for that, so come on along and go back to some of the beginnings. You won't believe what it used to look like compared to what it is now. There were a lot of successes and just as many setbacks. But we are persistent and we're going to keep going. I am not going to be working outside today. It's only like 17 degrees, so I really don't want to haul out my woodworking tools and work out in that cold. So I have plenty of things to do in the house here. The main thing I want to do is get that mantle log above that little wood stove. That's that log that we salvaged from the cabin that's up on the other side of the property here in Kentucky. A couple other things. I'm also going to work on that front back porch. I'm also going to work on that back porch. I wanted to do like an entry with a bench and some cubbies. And I wanted to wait to seal the concrete floor, but it's just too cold and I don't want to wait any longer. So I'm going to put at least the bench in. I also want to work on the rest of the wall decorations for in the kitchen here. And that's with that pie safe that I rescued from out in the barn. I think I can finish that bathroom cabinet. I think I brought all the right things for it. Just those doors, get them on there. Lots of ideas, lots of things I want to get done. I got a whole list of them here, and that's just for one day. And the other thing I want to do though is, even though it's super cold out, I want to take you outside, and I just want to show you something that I'm thinking of with a chicken coop that's still back there. So let's get going. We'll stay in here where it's nice and warm and get something done. So this is the accent wall in the living room that I'm going to attach the mantle to. And that itself is going to be a whole separate video. I'm just going to give you a couple of shots of what I did on the weekend to get it ready and to get it installed. I still have to finish the ends, but it's getting closer. But I had just stepped out of the house for a little bit. I had put some lacquer on the ends of those support beams. I haven't been out here well over a month. And now that the sun is shining, it's kind of intermittent, so hopefully it'll stay out for a few more minutes. Just wanted to show you what I was thinking of with that one chicken coop. Our little red barn. Yeah, we gotta get this end over here back up on its foundation because somebody dug underneath it. And so it dropped. This little gem right here is, well, used to be a chicken coop. And this one over here was the one that Mr. Kapper and I started taking apart. And that's the wood that I used in the house here in Kentucky. But anyway, this was the one that, you know, I could do like a she shed thing, but I mean, in all honesty, I would probably spend more time in a chicken coop than I would in a she shed. I have my workshop. I was thinking it was in a little bit better shape from what I remembered, but Looks to be a little bit termite-ish. But I know there's some good wood on there. That whole back section there, I mean, as much as I hate to say it, that wood really isn't worth trying to peel off back there. Now this stuff, this is definitely worth keeping. Gosh, gotta love this little lock, huh? Alright, I'm opening it and backing up. Alright, nobody ran. I would anyway. Whoa. Do believe that's a critter hole right there. And the roof actually looks really good yet. Oh, look at the little chicken ladder. Nice homemade chicken feeder. I think we can do something with this, Mr. Kapper. Oh, and there's the old roosts. Oh, this is just way too cute. And it's all oak. I mean, I see that beam right there. That's like a 6x6. I think I could rebuild a chicken shed out of here. Back in Illinois. Every time I look in here, I see something different. But today I noticed the green canning jar. I'll save that one. All right, well, it looks like I can mark off one more thing on my to-do list. Got the doors from the pie safe. Those I rescued from the barn. And like I said earlier, I had some pie tins, some antique ones. Didn't know what I was going to do with them. So I think I found their purpose now. I'll probably just make it, I don't know, maybe an inch thick and run it up and down. I might do it that way so the green wraps around. Well, I may not have gotten everything checked off my to-do list, but you know, that's part of having a to-do list. You don't have to worry about it disappearing. It'll be there next time you're ready for it. So I am headed back to Illinois.